Hello, this is the construction site of YD-Boulevard project in Seoul. A 3D numerical model was prepared with finite element program, ZSOIL. High-rise building is modeled by rigid foundation and pressure load. At the left side there is a hotel building and the pressure being checked. The right side buildings have about 38 and 50 first stories. Rigid foundation and pressure are more popular by professionals, but new modeling is attempted for better visual effect. New attempt is to model the building by solid elements instead of flat foundation and pressure. I have to check the pressure on the foundation before modeling the building height. To modeling the building height, the pressure should be deleted. The left building pressure was deleted. List menu let me easily select the elements of the same material, the same construction stage, and the same loading condition. The solid elements of concrete material is selected. I will remove the low buildings. Now 3 building foundations remain. By extruding the upper face of foundation, the high-rise buildings were created. You can see 3 high-rise buildings. This type of modeling would require wider boundary by simple intuition. Now I will remove the reaming pressures on the foundation. Pressures removed building by building. This is the initial condition before excavation begins. The hotel building is nearest to the excavation. This is the final excavation stage of YD project and the neighboring excavation of GBC project by Hyundai Motors. The left excavation is the GBC project site, and the central island was the main concern of this modeling. The previous pressure model also should be modified to compare with the solid element model. The pressure should be equivalent with the unit weight of buildings. The subsurface space was modeled with different materials under the ground surface. The support system includes the diaphragm walls, sheet piles, ZSOILs, anchors and nails. Before excavation, the D-walls and sheet piles were installed. At each excavation, the horizontal supporting members were installed. This modeling is one of the case studies of considering the different sequences of excavation. The solid building was refined with manual efforts. Which model will give us better results for safe design? Solid building model, or foundation plus pressure model? Now you can see the pressure model result of displacement. At the corner of the building, I will check the vertical displacement at the final stage. The vertical displacement is about 3.7 millimeters downwards. How about the solid building model? At the same location, the vertical displacement is about 1.6 millimeters downwards. Wow, too small. Now we can understand why the professionals prefer the pressure models for the influence on the buildings due to excavation. The bending moments are displayed in local X direction, which is important, along the wall depth. This is the bending moments in local Y direction. The bending moments of H-piles are outstanding. The bending moments of the whales cannot be neglected. Anchors were installed within soil depth, and press were applied during installation. Nails were installed within rock depths. Strip forces are outstanding due to compressive press stress. Anchor forces are also very strong due to press stress. Thank you.